Hello, this is the instructor's introduction for Composition and Design Part 1. So of course you're going to want to read the information that I have provided for you on all of the pages and watch the videos. This is a great video where this gentleman talks about the work of Andreas Gursky. This is a great page that you're going to want to review, going over what makes a great photograph with some really great links. The secret to seeing. Some information about context. So review all of that. A picture is a playground, so some more information and questions to ask yourself when you're making your work. The required reading for Part 1, and you'll want to reference this in the homework for Part 2 of this learning unit, because remember, Design and Composition has a Part 1 and a Part 2. So you want to read this and include a quote in the homework project. These are the 10 keys to composition, which is basically the main concept covered in this learning unit, which I go over in the instructor's lecture. But again, these are all links that give you more information about S-curve or repetition. This is my 44-minute video that you should watch along with a PDF for your reference, where I go into lots of examples of the different keys to composition. These are some examples that you can use for both Part 1 and Part 2 of this learning unit. So these are showing you students' examples of rule of thirds, repetition, selective focus, line, shape, and color. So I hope that these are images that you can use as a source of reference from what students have done in the past to show line, shape, and form, symmetrical composition. So enjoy these examples. This goes into a little bit about cropping, which I think is a really important tool in getting better at understanding composition and exploring composition with your own photos. And so here's a 4-minute video where I talk about just kind of context sheets and the option of choosing to crop your images. This is a really wonderful artist list that you'll be referencing for this learning unit, again, for your homework project. So these are all links that take you to websites by the artists, so definitely spend some time enjoying. I think there's like 74 artists, so lots of artists to choose from all different time periods and all different types of work. There's just a short description potentially of the type of work that they make. These are the terms that I want you to cover for this week's homework with a couple of links that might be helpful. And here's just a bunch of helpful links that you should check out if you have time or want further information. This is the first homework project, Composition and Design, Plan and Artist Research, Part 1. So this homework project leads into the homework project for this learning unit in Part 2. I go over all the information in this video. Lots of cool information to consider. And then finally for Part 1, there's a vocabulary homework. And so you're going to be using one of these terms and then applying these prompts and responding to one of your classmates' posts. So that's basically the information for this learning unit. I hope you enjoy all the photographs that I'm sharing and all the concepts that we're studying for composition design. Keep me posted with any questions. Thank you.